A proper bench power supply is one of the most useful tools in an electronics workshop. But I already had something powerful sitting unused inside an old branded computer. So instead of throwing it away, I transformed it into this, a custom 3D printed lab power supply with fixed 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt outputs, plus an adjustable output from approximately 1.2 to 12 volts. It also has voltage and current monitoring, adjustable current limiting, and standard banana connectors. Let me show you how I built it. The original power supply was fully functional, but it was not exactly workbench friendly. It had a huge bundle of wires, connectors designed for computer components, and no convenient way to connect or control my electronics projects. The power was already there. I just needed to make it usable. For the conversion, I used an XL4116 constant voltage and constant current buck converter, a DSN VC288 voltage and current display, two 10 kiloohm potentiometers, 6 banana sockets, test leads, and a rocker switch. The fixed outputs come from the computer power supply, while the XL4116 gives me control over the adjustable output. One knob changes the voltage, and the other sets the current limit. That current control is especially useful when testing a new circuit because it lets me restrict how much current the connected device can draw. With the measurements ready, I opened Autodesk Fusion 360 and designed the complete enclosure. I created openings for the display, both control knobs, the output terminals, and the main switch. Inside the case, I left space for the converter, wiring, and cooling airflow. And, of course, I added the Tech Panda logo. Once the design was complete, I exported it, prepared it in the slicer, and started the print. The display fitted at the top. The voltage and current controls sat underneath, and the banana sockets and switch completed the front panel. The original supply had far more wiring than I needed. I first identified its fixed voltage outputs, grounds, and enable connection using the information for this specific power supply model. I kept the wires required for the 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt outputs, removed the unnecessary low voltage wiring, and insulated every unused connection. The remaining wires were then grouped and organized so they could not interfere with the cooling fan. I then connected the panel meter and wired the banana sockets for the fixed and adjustable outputs. Before powering anything, I used a multimeter to check polarity, continuity, and possible short circuits. I also inspected every solder joint and made sure there were no exposed wire strands between the terminals. Only after everything passed inspection did I secure the wiring and close the enclosure. I checked the fixed outputs using my multimeter and then tested the adjustable section. As I rotated the voltage knob, the output changed smoothly from approximately 1.2 volts up to 12 volts. Next, I connected a suitable test load and adjusted the current control. The converter limited the current as expected, while the front display showed both voltage and current in real time. And this is the finished result. An unused branded PC power supply has been transformed into a compact and practical lab supply for powering microcontrollers, LEDs, sensors, motors, and future electronics projects. It looks cleaner, it is much easier to connect, and thanks to the custom enclosure, it now has a permanent place on my workbench. And for more electronics, ESP32, 3D printing, and DIY technology projects, subscribe to Tech Panda. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next project.